My video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called AdBlocker. This extension called AdBlocker basically works as adware. It shows its many intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. If this AdBlocker was somehow found on your computer, make sure you undertake the measures and get rid of this AdBlocker. So let us first of all install it, and then I will let you understand how to get rid of it if it was installed by mistake. So access the menu, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then if you find this AdBlocker extension, of course you need to get rid of it. So click on Remove button and remove this extension. Also, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then start researching the system with its
After
help.
you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.